How to create a job listing on vaconnect.io. Hello there buddies, I'm Buds and this is vaconnect. Now we will talk about how you can create job postings on vaconnect platform. First is to sign into your account. Now we are on the seller's dashboard. We need to switch to buyer dashboard to create a job listing. Now click on the Create Job tab. You can see here all the details you need to fill out to create a job listing. Enter a title. Here you can see that I have already created my job information before making this video. Now let's enter the information needed in the listing. Let's start with the title of the job posting, then the category and subcategory. Now let's enter the budget and delivery time. Let's follow the image. Remember that the size of your image must be 590 by 300 px. If you want help creating an image to put in your listing, you can message us on our FB page and other social media channels. You can also email us at contact@vaconnect.io so we can help you. Anyway, we will put all the contact details in the description. Let's go back to image placement. Follow the skill you are looking for in your freelancer. Enter at least 3 skills. Now the description of your job listing. Follow the requirements. Check all the details in the job listing. After that you can submit it. Now a job has been created. You can see it in the Manage Job tab. Here you will see that your listing is still pending and you will just wait for it to be approved. Job listing approval is quick. It just depends on the time when you made the listing. After a few minutes, let's try to refresh the page. That's it. You'll see your listing approved. Here you can edit your job listing and you can also close it. Now let's look at your job listing. Here you can see the requirements, each of the bids, and the buyer comments. One of the good features of the vaconnect platform is bidding. I will explain it to you. In your job listing, any user or freelancer of the platform can bid. Here you will have the ability to pick the right price that fits your budget. Remember to talk to your contractor first before placing an order. This way you can be sure that you hire the right freelancer. You can also view their profile and sales achievements, as well as their reviews. Just that. If you liked this video, please give us a like, and subscribe to our channel to be updated on the new videos we release. You can also follow our social media channels, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, Medium, Quora, Reddit, and LinkedIn. We also have a Facebook community and a LinkedIn community that you can join. Let us know if there is something we can help you out with. You can comment it on this video.